Hi friends, today let's grow some vegetables in our garden. Here we have some colorful seeds. Let's sow the seeds one by one. Let's start with purple, red, blue, yellow. Let's sow all these seeds in the grooves. Now that we have finished sowing, let's water our soil. Now let's wait patiently for the vegetables to grow. Oh look! Our vegetables are now ready for harvesting. Let's begin. Let's put our vegetables in these baskets. The first is yellow. Let's put it in the yellow basket. The next one is blue. Let's put it in the blue basket. Oh no! We have worms in our garden. They will eat all our vegetables. What are we going to do? Hi, my name is Birdie. I can help you get rid of all the worms. My little chick will love them. That's fantastic, Birdie. Thank you for your help. Look, Birdie is taking the worms to feed her little baby. Now let's continue harvesting. We have blue, red, yellow, nice and shiny red, orange. Oh dear. We have more and more worms coming. Let's call Birdie. Birdie! Birdie is doing a fine job in getting them out one by one. Birdie's little chick will love all these worms. Let's finish harvesting the last few vegetables before more worms come up. Oh look, our baskets are almost getting full. Thank you friends for growing vegetables with me. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.